Hello everybody, today we will be making shrimp fry in my air fryer. This is a basic shrimp recipe. You can use this recipe and fry it on the stovetop too, but I will be frying in my air fryer. It's very simple. This is just some shrimp that we got here. I always have some fresh lemon squeezed in my fridge, so I'm adding a splash of it. You don't need a lot. A good heaping tablespoon of chili powder. We like it spicy at home. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And 1/4 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Let me mix this first. Don't worry if you feel that this is a little thick. Once we add the shrimp, it will loosen up a little bit. Just marinate this really well. You need to marinate this for a minimum of 1 hour at least. It's been an hour now, so I just lined the tray that came in my air fryer with aluminum foil. I'll just put this here and we'll spread it out once I'm done putting it here. You want to make sure they're all like in one line, meaning flat, not one over the other. I'll go ahead and spray it with some cooking spray. You can skip this if you don't want the oil in it. And I'll place it inside my air fryer in the level 2 setting. Actually, this is the grill that came with it, and I'm placing it in the level 2 setting. It doesn't matter, you can just place it in the middle, and then we will change the setting to air fryer and 400 degrees and 10 minutes. Keep an eye on it. We don't want the shrimp to burn. The shrimp is quite small, so it might burn, so keep an eye on it, but it takes just pretty much 10 minutes to be done. The 10 minutes is done. Let me pull it out. So I will flip this now and cook it for another 3 minutes on 450 for the other side to crisp up. I flipped it now. I will spray the other side with some cooking oil. Put it inside. I'll increase it to 450 and I'll cook it for 3 minutes on air fryer mode. You can time it on your timer. The air fryer comes with this basket, which is open, and the idea is to put it in and it cooks it all in one time. There are 2 drawbacks. One, the juices from the shrimp, it falls out and it becomes dry. Second, it sticks to this. I found it very difficult to clean. Second, I also found that many pieces were sticking to it, so I did not prefer that method. That's why I'm using the sheet pan method. This is much easier in my opinion. I'll show you in 3 minutes. The shrimp is fully cooked actually. We are just crisping up the other side. The shrimp is ready. See, now it's cooked on both sides and it's very crispy. Let me transfer it to a bowl. That's it. The cleaning is very easy. That's it. I just have to throw this out and our fantastic air fried shrimp is ready to be eaten with salad, rice, anything you like. Try this recipe and let me know how it turns out. Please keep watching my channel. Thank you for your support. Like and share it with your friends. As always, happy cooking.